One person was killed and allegedly 4 women were raped from the same family in the early hours of Thursday morning near Xavier Close to Greater Noida. Now around 1 a.m. the family was going from Jewar in Greater Noida to Bulandshahr to visit a family member at the hospital when their car came to a sudden halt after hitting a metal object. When some members of the family came out, 6 armed men allegedly surrounded the car and looted them and raped the women. Tanima Biswas now joins us for the very latest on this. Tanima, just to clarify, this is on, we presume, the Greater Noida Expressway, which is a very busy expressway and is used so often by people traveling between Delhi to Agra. A lot of tourists also on this expressway. Tell us more of what the police is saying.
That's right, Bhairavi, as you were mentioning that the location of this incident is very close to the Yamuna Expressway, not exactly on it, but then this highway is probably one of the connectors leading out from the expressway and very close by. Right now, I can tell you that we are at the civil hospital here in Noida, where the 4 women who have claimed that they were raped in this entire incident, they have in fact been brought here for medical examination. What we have gathered from the complaint that they have filed with the police is that they were going towards Bulandshahr in the middle of the night because one of their family members was in a medical emergency and there was some money that they were carrying, and their car stopped suddenly in the middle of the highway, and because there was some sort of an obstruction on the way, and then once the car stopped, 6 men surrounded the car. Apparently they were armed with guns, and they not only looted the family but also allegedly raped 4 women who were in that car. And according to the report, there's a complaint that they have filed that one of them was trying to save the 4 women. One of the men was trying to save the 4 women and he got shot in the process and unfortunately died. And it was only, the entire incident apparently took 2 hours. That's what the complaint is saying. And there were 6 men only fled from the spot after they heard a police vehicle approaching. So the family members have in fact filed a complaint, and this case seems to be eerily similar to what we saw in Bulandshahr a few years back, where in that incident as well, a family had in fact been unfortunately looted on the highway, and in that case also one young woman who was with the family had also been allegedly raped in front of her family members, and in that case also the police haven't really managed to make much of a headway. The case is with the CBI, but we haven't really seen much of a headway in that case also. Though following that, remember, the Uttar Pradesh police had said that they would increase patrolling on highways and on expressways, and that there was this a police vehicle which would be with the 100 number on it was seen on several expressways, and the Uttar Pradesh government had in fact said that they were making, the previous Uttar Pradesh government rather had said that they were making as many efforts to make sure that women were safe and highways and expressways especially were safe. But unfortunately, so far, what we have seen is yet another incident which bears similar, which bears a lot of similarity with the incident which had taken place while this family was going towards Bulandshahr. And in this case as well, a family of 7 people who were traveling in a vehicle attacked in the middle of the night. 1 man shot dead and 4 women allegedly raped.